Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Coordinates. We are told to express 1 divided by the root of 7 plus the root of 5 in the form of x multiplied by the root of 7 plus y multiplied by the root of 5. And we are told that x and y are elements of rational numbers. So in order for you to be able to do this, obviously you might not have an idea as to what in the world is this and how to sort of go about it. In most of the times, when you see a function, when you see an expression in this form, right, we mostly multiply by the conjugate. Then what that does is that it rationalizes the denominator of this form, So let me just do that. So 1 divided by the root of 7 plus the root of 5. I'm going to multiply it by the conjugate here. I'm basically going to multiply it by 1, a specific 1. So anything multiplied by 1 is itself. But this is going to be a special one. The root of 7 minus the root of 5. So when we do this, we are going to get, obviously on the numerator, the root of 7 minus the root of 5. So on the denominator now, 1 times this, you get this. On the denominator, we are going to get the square root of 7 squared. Then square root of 7 times minus square root of 5 minus the square root of 7 square root of 5. Let me extend this. Then square root of 5 times square root of 7 plus the square root of 5 square root of 7. Okay, and then square root of 5 times square root of 5, that is going to be plus the square root of 5 all squared, All right, so having found that, that's going to be a minus. That's going to be a minus over there. We're going to have a minus. So it's basically positive square root of 5 times the negative square root of 5. So we're going to have minus square root of 5 all squared. Okay, so our thing shrinks to this square root of 7 minus the square root of 5. So this, if we add these two, we're going to get 0. Square root of 7 squared is 7. Minus the square root of 5 squared is 5. So we get the square root of 7 minus the square root of 5 divided by 7 minus 5, that is 2. So can you guys see that we have rationalized the denominator? So basically we can write this in this form as well. So it's going to be the square root of 7 divided by 2 minus the square root of 5 divided by 2, right? But we're told to express it in this form. So if we express this in the form such that we've got x times the square root of 7 plus y times the square root of 5. How do we do that? So what we're going to do is we're going to factor out 1 over 2. Then we've got our square root of 7 over here. Obviously this is supposed to be a plus. Then here also we're going to factor out minus 1 over 2. Then there is our square root of 5. So I trust, guys, that from here you can see that x is equals to 1 over 2 and y is equals to minus 1 over 2. And which confirms what we had initially, that it's an element of rational numbers. So this is the expression that we are looking for. Alright guys, do tackle it and Let me know if there are any issues. Have a blessed day.